I'm Paul Chamourian, and I'm a Senior Account Manager here at Avnan. As a Senior Account Manager, I'm responsible for all aspects of the customer relationship. This includes preparing quotations, ensuring on-time delivery, overseeing new projects, and dealing with any commercial issues. Bringing a new client on board is all about identifying customer expectations upfront and executing those expectations. Regular dialogue from the RFQ stage through to first sample orders helps clarify what the customer is looking for, so we react accordingly. For any new project, the best way to ensure alignment and avoid miscommunications is to hold regular calls with clients. Along with that, we maintain an action item tracker which we review during the calls to make sure that nothing gets overlooked. Well-documented specs or statements of work also help to ensure that the product that we build is aligned with what the customer needs. Well, as much as we'd all like to say that specs don't change after a project enters the design stage, the reality is that it's pretty common. Sometimes the changes are minor, and other times they're more significant. All that you can do is react promptly and professionally and begin executing against the new spec. Most important is to identify and communicate any potential financial or scheduling impact to the customer as soon as you can. Whether the scope change means that we have stranded components that need to be dispositioned, or the schedule is impacted, or the costs change, customers appreciate getting these details sooner rather than later, while the scope change is still fresh in their minds. Based on our phase gate process, we create a project schedule with key milestones when a new design is awarded to us. We review this schedule up front with the customer to get feedback and buy-in before things really get moving. From that point on, we'll use our regular internal team meetings and calls with the customer to make sure that we're still on track to meet the key dates. Every project has short-term and longer-term goals that need to be achieved. It's easy to get caught up in just focusing on the next build or what have you, but when there are long lead time components involved, you also need to be planning early on for mass production readiness. Avnan has a lot of experience with this kind of thing, so we always keep the customer in the loop about any decisions that have to be made early on in the development to ensure that the production launch is on time. So whether it's getting approval in advance to order production materials or preparing our test equipment, Avnan knows how to work with the customer to address short and long-term goals in parallel. We have a great project management tool that our program manager uses to identify all critical path milestones. We'll use our regular discussions with the customer to point out when risk decisions need to be made in order to keep the project on schedule. Sometimes it's not practical to do everything in series. For example, maybe we need to get the customer's agreement to bring in materials for a future build while the previous build is still being evaluated. Our open communication with the customer ensures that they are aware of the activities that we're doing in parallel to make sure that we deliver the final product on time. So any new design needs to pass through multiple stages and gates. We might start off building some internal prototypes, then move on to EVT, then DVT, and finally a pilot build before mass production begins. Each of these stages involves doing a review to compare product performance to specs, and then we agree to move to the next phase. This way the final product is confirmed to meet all requirements before we start mass production.